In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an AGODA promo code. Promo codes can be very useful because they give you discounts on hotels, activities, flights, and other services. There are different types of voucher codes, and some may only apply to specific categories, such as hotels or activities. Let's go step by step. First, open the AGODA app on your mobile device. If you have received a promo code and want to add it to your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. From here, scroll down until you find the option labeled Coupons and tap on it. This section will display any codes that are already saved in your account. To add a new code, type it into the box provided and it will be added to your account. Once stored, the code will automatically apply whenever you book a service it is eligible for, such as a hotel or an activity. If you are making a booking and want to apply the code at checkout, you can also do this directly during the booking process. Start by selecting the hotel room or service you want to book and proceed to the guest details section. Scroll down until you see the Coupons section. Here, you will see an option that says Have a code. Tap on it and a box will appear where you can type in the promo code. Once you enter the code, the discount will be applied immediately, and you can see the reduced amount reflected in the total price. And this is how to add an AGODA promo code.